Alright guys, today we are going to learn how to sketch modulus graphs for quadratic functions. Okay, so in particular we are going to sketch this particular graph from exercise 2G question 4b, y equals to modulus x squared minus x minus 6 for x between the range of -4 and 4. Okay, so before you sketch any modulus graph, what you need to do is to first sketch the original function, or rather the original graph, meaning the graph without the modulus. So to do that, we need to sketch 4 points. Okay, we need to find out 4 points: x-intercept, y-intercept, the turning points, and the endpoints. Okay, so let's do that now. Alright, so first things first. Okay, we will find the x-intercept. Oh, sorry, we're going to sketch y equals to x squared minus x minus 6 first. Okay, so sketching y equals to x squared minus x minus 6. Okay, so when x is equals to 0, y is equals to -6. So we have a pair of points. Okay, when y equals to 0, that's where our x-intercepts are. Okay, so with x squared minus x minus 6 equals to 0, x minus 3x plus 2 equals to 0, x equals to 3, or x equals to -2. So we have 3, 0, minus 2, 0. Okay, now we want to find our turning points. Okay, so turning points, okay, the x coordinate lies between these two x coordinates, so we have 3 minus 2 over 2. Okay, or rather you add these two coordinates up, you divide it by 2 to get the x coordinate, the line of symmetry, and when you substitute it into y, you get half square minus half minus 6 equals to -25 over 4, which is about -6 and 1/4. Okay, so are you done yet? No, you're not, because you still need to find the endpoints. Okay, meaning the endpoints for this graph. Okay, when you substitute the endpoints for this graph is when you substitute x equals to -4 and x equals to 4 respectively. Okay, so when x is equals to 4, y is equals to, if I'm not wrong, 6. It should be 6. Okay, calculate it yourself, substitute it in. Okay, when x is -4, y is equals to 14. So you have another 3 points here. In fact, you have half, -6 and 1/4. You have 4, 6 and -4, 14. Okay, so with all these different points, okay, your y-intercept, x-intercept, turning points, and endpoints, you are now ready to sketch your original graph. Alright, so I'm going to sketch the original graph now. Okay, so plot out all the points that you need. You need 0, -6, so it will be somewhere around here. Okay, you need 3, 0. Okay, you need -2, 0. Okay, you need half, -6 and 1/4, which will be somewhere around here. Okay, you're going to need 4, 6, which is somewhere around here, and you're going to need -4, 14, which will be somewhere around here. Okay, so now that you have all these points, you are now ready to sketch a smooth curve. Okay, so that's what I will try to do. Okay, hopefully this. Okay, so now that you have a smooth curve, okay, you are now ready to draw your modulus graph. And how you do that is to flip everything below the x-axis upwards. You want to flip everything below the x-axis upwards. What this means is that all your points here with negative y value now become positive. So for instance, okay, the point here 0, -6 now becomes 0, 6. So you mark out the points which are above. And even your turning point, which is half comma negative 6 and 1/4, now becomes half and 6 and 1/4. Okay? This is because when you apply modulus, what changes is actually your y values. Your y values become positive. Okay? So all these y values now become positive, and I flip everything upwards. Okay? I flip everything upwards. Okay? So now that I flip everything outwards, I can now dot the below. Okay, and I label my graph y equals to mod x squared minus x minus 6. Okay, notice how my graph does not exceed the endpoints -4 and 4. Okay? Okay, so now that I have already finished drawing my graph, I'm ready to label my points. Okay, now some of you don't have the habit of doing that. I would like to encourage you to do that. Okay, because it actually tells the examiner I have found these points. Okay, and then your roots. Okay, so now that you have all these points. Now, some of the common errors that you guys made was that you didn't find the endpoints. Okay, your lines exceeded the endpoints, which should be a no-no. Okay, keep your graph between the endpoints, and also you did not find the maximum point. Okay, you did not find the maximum or minimum point. In this case, it's the minimum point. You need to find the turning point. Okay, so that's all I have for sketching modulus graph. Don't forget to sketch your 4 points. Okay, x-intercept, y-intercept, turning points, and endpoints. Okay, thank you.